Don't let anybody make you feel that you are a failure. Don't make anybody make you feel you are a failure.
So what you want to below? You
are a brother. You work for your money. Don't let anybody make you feel ashamed for what you are doing. Friends, even, you know, maybe some of your friends in high school, now they're in the United States, or some are in Dubai, or some are in Amsterdam, and you are feeling like your friends have gone and have become successful, and look at you, your life is not making any progress.
ጓደኞቻችሁ ሊነግሯችሁ ይችላል ምናልባት አብራችሁ የተማራችሁ ጓደኞች አንዳንዶቹ ውጭ ሀገሮች ወደ ዱባይ ኢንስታግራም እና የተለያየ ቦታ ሊሄዱ ይችላሉ
Don't let it happen.
I
may be talking more to guys, but even ladies, you too. Don't feel bad because you saw a 20-year-old girl driving a Lamborghini. Don't feel bad.
ለወንዶች ይሆናል አሁን ያወራው ያለሁት ለሴቶችም እነግራችኋለሁ የ20 ዓመት ልጅ ላምቦርጊኒ መኪና ስለነዳች መጥፎ ስሜት
This is to every young man and young woman working hard.
ይሄ ደግሞ ለሴት ወጣቶችና ለወንድ ወጣቶች በተለይም ደግሞ በብርታት ተግታችሁ ለምትሰሩ
Take it easy on yourself.
ራሳችሁን በደንብ አክብራችሁ አትዩ
Take it easy on yourself.
በተለይ ስራችሁን ቀለል አድርጋችሁ ሰሩት
I saw a video recently of a guy, a rich businessman in Dubai who was arrested for selling cocaine.
አንድ ባለጸጋ ልጅ በዱባይ ሐሺሽ እየሸጠ ባለጸጋ የሆነ ስለወጣት ልጅ ቪዲዮ አይቼ ነበር
So these two brothers, they are businessmen that have been inspiring people to do business.
ይሄ ደግሞ ሌሎች ሰዎች ቢዝነስ እንዲሰሩ የሚያበረታታ ወጣት ነበር
And this news has come out that all along these people were selling cocaine.
ዜና ወጣ እነዚህ ሁለት ሰዎችን በጥሩ ነገር በመልካም ነገር የሚታወቁ ግን ሐሺሽ ሻጮች መሆናቸው ታወቀ
They were selling drugs.
ሐሺሽን ይሸጣሉ
Now you could have been a young guy looking at these people or a young lady looking at these people and aspire to their lifestyle. You wanted to be like them. You wanted to achieve like them.
ወጣት ሴት ወይንም ደግሞ ወጣት ወንድ እነዚህን ሰዎችን እያዩ የተነሳሱ ወይንም ደግሞ የተበረታቱ ሊኖሩ ይችላል
Only for you to wake up this morning and find out that these people who were selling these dreams to you were not living legitimate lives. They were not living good lives.
እነዚህ ጥሩ ነገር የሚያሳዩ ሰዎች ነገር ግን መልካም የሆነ ህይወት እንደሌላቸው ሲታወቅ
That's why I like how my pastor put it. My pastor said, you are not a failure because somebody else is a success. You are not failing because someone else is succeeding. It doesn't mean you are failing. You have a journey in God. There's a journey that God has planned for your life. Which is different from the journey of any other person. Don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself as a young man or even a young woman. Don't do it. If you are working hard and you are making money, thank God for that you have. If you are not stealing as a guy, you are not cheating anybody, be grateful to God for that work which you have right now.
ከሌላ ወንድና ከሌላ ሴት ጋር እየሄዳችሁ ማግማግጡም ከሆነ ስለ በህይወታችሁ እግዚአብሔርን አመስግኑ።
Don't let anybody make you feel that you are a failure. Don't make anybody make you feel you are a failure.
ሰዎች እናንተ ወዳቂ ናችሁ ብለው ይሄንን አስተሳሰብ እንዲሰጣችሁ አትፍቀዱላችሁ።
Pressure can come from anywhere.
ግፊት ከየትኛውም ቦታ ሊመጣባችሁ ይችላል።
Family members.
ከቤተሰብ ግፊት.
They want you to match up. They want you to look like and do things that is beyond your financial capacity. Don't let it happen.
ከፋይናንሳችሁ ካፓሲቲ ጋር የሚያነጻጽሩ ሌሎች ጓደኞችም ሊኖራችሁ ይችላል።
Or society, they tell you now you should be driving this kind of car at this age or at this level. You should be eating in this cafe. You know, there's how society wants to tell you how to use your money.
ማህበረሰቡ ገንዘብ አጠቃቀማችሁን ሊነግራችሁ ይችላል። የዚህ አይነት ትልቅ መኪና ነው መንዳት ያለባችሁ፣ የዚህ አይነት ትልልቅ ሬስቶራንቶች ነው መግባት ያለባችሁ ብለው ሊነግራችሁ ይችላል።
Or friends even, you know. Maybe some of your friends in high school, now they're in the United States, or some are in Dubai, or some are in Amsterdam, and you are feeling like your friends have gone and have become successful, and look at you, your life is not making any progress.
ጓደኞቻችሁ ሊነግራችሁ ይችላል። ምናልባት አብራችሁ የተማራችሁ ጓደኞች አንዳንዶቹ ውጭ ሀገሮች ወደ ዱባይ፣ ኢንስታግራም እና የተለያየ ቦታ ሊሄዱ ይችላል።
Don't let it happen.
ያ እንዲሆን አትፍቀዱላችሁ።
Be patient with your journey. You are on your own journey. Be patient in your journey.
በጉዟችሁ በጣም ትዕግስተኛ ሁኑ።
Another place that pressure comes to young men, especially men, is from women.
ሌሎች ደግሞ ወንዶች ግፊት የሚመጣባቸው ከሴቶች ሊሆንም ይችላል።
Especially women who make financial, they try to broke shame you. They try to make you look poor. They feel that you are not rich enough for them.
ሴቶች ሊያሳያችሁ ይችላሉ። አንዳንድ ወንዶች አንተ በቂ አይደለም፣ ያለ ፋይናንስ እኔ ካለኝ በቂ አይደለም፣ ትንሽ ነህ ብለው ሊያሳፍሯችሁ የሚሞክሩ ሴቶች ሊኖሩ ይችላሉ።
Brothers, I'm begging you.
ወንድሞች እኔ ለምናችሁ።
You don't need a woman who broke shames you.
አንተ ለምታሳፈረ ሴት አታስፈልግም።
You don't need a woman who makes you feel ashamed when you work hard for your money.
በተለይ ደግሞ በርትተህ ለሰራህበት ለገንዘብህ የምታሳፈረ ሴት አታስፈልግም።
If she thinks that you are not rich enough for her, let her go and find the rich person.
አንተ ለኔ በቂ አይደለህም፣ ብዙም ባለጸጋና ሀብታም አይደለህም ካለች ሄዳ ሌላ ሀብታም ሰው ትፈልግ።
Don't feel like you are a failure because her standards are higher than yours. No, don't feel like you are a failure.
የሷ ብቃት ካንተ የበለጠ ይበልጣል ብላ የምታስብ ከሆነ የዚችን አይነት ሴት አትቀበላት።
If it was that easy,
እንደዛ ቀላል ቢሆን ኖሮ
how come she has not achieved what you have achieved?
አንተ የደረስክበት እሷ ለምን መድረስ አልቻለች?
If it was that easy,
እንደዛ ቀላል ከሆነ
how come members of her own family have not achieved what you have achieved?
የቤተሰቦቿ አባላቶች አንተ ከደረስክበት ወይም ደግሞ የአንተ ቤተሰብ አባላቶች ከደረሱበት ለምን መድረስ አልቻሉ?
You are a brother.
አንተ ወንድም ነህ።
You work for your money.
ለገንዘብ ትሰራለህ።
Don't let anybody make you feel ashamed for what you are doing.
ስለምትሰራው ነገር ማንም ሰው እንዳያሳፍራት።
Don't let any woman, man, animal make you feel ashamed for what you are doing.
ሴት፣ ወንድ፣ እንስሳ ስለምታሰራው ስራ እንድታፈር አትፍቀድለት።
Keep working hard.
በርትተህ ስራ።
Believe in God for your future.
ለወደፊት ህይወትን ደግሞ እግዚአብሔርን ታመንበት
and be focused.
በዛ ላይ ነገር ደግሞ ማስተዋል።
You will make the millions very soon. Don't worry.
በቅርብ ቀን ደግሞ ሚሊዮኖችን ትሰራለህ።
You will drive the fine cars very soon. Don't worry.
በቅርብ ቀን ደግሞ ቆንጆ መኪናዎችን ትነዳለህ።
But don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself that God did not put on you.
በራስህ ላይ ደግሞ እግዚአብሔር ያልሰጠህን ነገር አላስፈላጊ ነገሮችን ጫና አታምጣ።
So I may be talking more to guys, but even ladies, you too. Don't feel bad because you saw a 20-year-old girl driving a Lamborghini. Don't feel bad.
ለወንዶች ይሆናል አሁን ያወራው ያለሁት ለሴቶችም እነግራችኋለሁ። የ20 ዓመት ልጅ ላምቦርጊኒ መኪና ስለነዳች መጥፎ ስሜት አይሰማችሁ።
You are a young lady.
ወጣት ሴት ነሽ።
You are not sleeping with men.
ከወንድ ጋር አትተኙ።
You are not stealing.
አሰድ
You are not selling your body to men.
ሰውነትሽን ደግሞ ለወንድ አሸጭ።
You work hard
ትሰሪያለሽ
for your money.
ለገንዘብሽ።
Don't let anybody shame you.
ማንም ሰው እንዲያሳፍርሽ አትፍቀጂ።
Don't let anybody make you feel like you are not making progress. It's a lie.
ምንም እድገት እኮ እያሳየሽ አይደለም ብሎ ሰዎች እንዲያሳፍርሽ አትፍቀጂ።
You are an example of true success.
አንቺ የእውነተኛ ስኬት ነሽ።
And if you stay on this path, one day men and people will celebrate you.
እንደዚህ አይነት መንገድ ከቀጠልሽ ደግሞ አንድ ቀን ሴትና ወንዶች አንቺን ያከብሩሻል።
Please,
እባክሽ
you are not failing because other people are succeeding.
ሌላ ሰው ስለተሳካለት አንቺ ወዳቂ ነሽ ማለት አይደለም።
Focus.
አተኩሪ።
Anybody that is trying to make you feel like you are a failure, they can leave you. They should leave.
ወዳቂ ነሽ ብለው እንድታስቢ የሚያደርጉ ሰዎች ትተውሽ።
Focus.
አተኩሪ።
That journey is going to end in glory.
ያ ጉዞሽ ደግሞ በክብር ያልቃል።
But don't let anybody influence you to feel bad that you are failing. Don't let it happen.
እየወደቅሽ ነው ብለውም ደግሞ ሰዎች መጥፎ ስሜት እንዲሰማሽ አትፍቀጅላቸው።
Christ in you is the hope of glory. Christ in you.
በውስጥሽ ያለው ክርስቶስ ባለ ተስፋው ነው።
Success is your story.
ስኬት ታሪክሽ ነው።
Victory is your story.
ድል ታሪክሽ ነው።
At the end is full of praise and testimonies.
በመጨረሻው ደግሞ ምስጋናና ምስክርነት የተሞላበት ይሆናል።
Don't take pressure that Jesus did not give you.
ኢየሱስ ያልሰጠሽን ደግሞ ተግዳሮትን ወይም ደግሞ ክብደትን አትሸከሚ።
God bless you.
እግዚአብሔር ይባርክሽ።
Join us every Wednesday and every Sunday at Christ Embassy Hope Arena in Gerji.
ሮብና እሑድ በክራይስት ኤምባሲ ተስፋ ስፍራ በገርጂ ተገናኙ።
Make sure you like the video and follow us for beautiful content like this.
ቪዲዮውን ላይክ ማድረግና ፎሎ ማድረጋችሁን ደግሞ ለዚህ ቆንጆ መልእክት ማድረጋችሁን ቀጥሉ።
God bless you.
እግዚአብሔር ይባርካችሁ።
See you next time.
በሚቀጥለው እንገናኝ።